Day one of growing my own food on my balcony garden. Today I learned how to resurrect a dying vine without crying. I'm not an expert, just sharing what I'm learning day by day with balcony gardening to inspire you to grow your own food in the city, even without a garden, and take back control of what you eat. As you can see, there are quite a few weeds growing in this grapevine pot. I bought this vine in September 2022 at the Montmartre Grape Harvest Festival in Paris. Fun fact, there is still a small vineyard in Montmartre, and they actually make wine in the city. The wine cellar is hidden under the 18th arrondissement town hall. Since I got it, I haven't changed the soil at all, and honestly, I never even checked the bottom of the pot. So today, I made sure there is a drainage hole, which there is, thank goodness. I also added two little pieces of wood underneath the pot to raise it slightly, so water can drain better and the roots don't sit in soggy soil. Next, I became a grapevine surgeon. Well, kind of. I didn't even have pruning shears. I used regular scissors. Don't do that, it's better to use clean, sharp pruning shears to avoid damaging the plant or spreading disease. To see what to cut, I looked for dead branches. Dry, brown, no leaves, totally stiff. I kept the green, flexible shoots with healthy leaves. Why prune? Because dead branches block the flow of sap and waste the plant's energy. Cutting them lets the vine focus on growing strong, healthy parts. Then I removed about 15 centimeters of soil and all the surface weeds. I might reuse them as mulch or add them to my compost. Why do this? Because in pots, the top layer of soil gets depleted and compacted over time. So I added a mix, half compost, half potting soil, simple and effective. No need to dig deep or mix it all. The watering will carry nutrients down to the roots naturally. Then I gave the vine a good drink. It hadn't had water in days, I think it almost dried. After watering, I added a thin layer of wood chips for style and hydration. Seriously though, even in containers, mulch helps keep moistures in and protect soil life. It's a small touch that makes a big difference. Now I'm wondering, will this vine give me grapes this year? Probably not. I learned grapevines usually start producing after 2 to 4 years and only if they are healthy. Also, grapes grow on new growth from the previous year. So that's it. I pruned, refreshed the soil, watered, mulched. Now the vine has a fresh start. It may not grow grapes this year, but at least it no longer looks like a dead stick in a pot. If you are curious to see what happened next, subscribe to follow the vine's journey and see if one day it makes baby grapes. Stay tuned and grow your seedlings wherever you are.